Welcome back to my channel. My name is Kiki LaFleur, and today I'm going to show you guys how I go to the gym looking effortless. Like I just woke up like that, and seriously, I look like I have no makeup on, and I love it. I don't go to the gym looking any old way. That is a pet peeve of mine. So instead of doing a full beat of makeup, I've practiced, okay? And I will say this again, I have practiced this process to the point where now that I feel like I got it, you know, because I keep doing the same type of routine over and over again. And I'm like, I'm ready to share with you guys, but it took a while for me to get to this point and figure out what products work, what products don't work. And also, I just do not want to go to the gym looking like I got makeup on, you know, so here we are. So right now I'm putting on that copper tone sunblock. I don't really like that one. I'm trying to get this one focused, which is my 𝗬𝗪𝗖𝗜𝗍 tinted moisturizer. Now, the reason why I say I really don't like it too much is because it has a white cast, and I bought that on a whim. Like, I needed a sunblock ASAP, so I really had no clue how it was going to turn out, and unfortunately I actually just bought another one because I was like, I can't keep doing this. But what I have to do is take my tinted moisturizer, which is the 𝗬𝗪𝗖𝗜𝗍 in Walnut, which is a darker shade for me. I purposefully got it for the winter time, but it seemed like it's just a little bit, this formula itself, because the packaging is different, it's just way more darker than I remember. But it's perfect for this, for things that give me like a white cast. It then becomes my almost perfect color because, you know, you're mixing lighter with the darker color, and again, it has a white cast, so it really does help to lighten a bit of that darker pigment. As you can see, like, it blends in effortlessly. Like, I really enjoy that it does work together, but do I want to do this forever? No, not by a long shot. I actually just bought a sunblock, and I'm waiting for it to arrive because that I know I don't have to worry about. Like, anything to make my life easier, okay? Work smarter, not harder is my motto, 100%. I obviously need more of this stuff, so I'm just gonna go and finish my face up. But I must say, I love the finish, which is why it was so important for me to buy a better brand, because the finish just comes out freaking amazing. So now I'm going in with my brow pomade. This is in dark brown, and I'm just filling in my brows. I'm not necessarily like trying to make it dark. I really want this to look as effortless as possible, so I'm just kind of like going through areas and brushing through any sparse and just kind of making it a little bit more uniform instead of crazy. So now I'm going in with this Vibrancy palette by 𝗀𝗍𝗪𝗏, and this stuff is packed, okay, with antioxidants and skin healing ingredients and just like anti-wrinkle ingredients. Like, it's just a powerful freaking palette. That's why I love it, because it's made with argan oil, and I just love using this. And I don't even feel bad going to the gym using this, like, mainly because it doesn't feel like makeup. It feels like I'm actually doing something nice for my skin before going out into the sun and you know, in the environment in the morning, for the most part. Moving on to the brightest color in the palette. Now, I know it looks scary on camera, but when I tell you this stuff just actually melts into your skin, it just looks like a layer of just glowy goodness. Like, it really just helps to brighten, give you a glow from within type look, and that's why I love it, because, you know, you're at the gym, like, you want that look naturally. So I walk in with that look, you know what I mean? Like, I already and they can't tell the difference, because how the hell they know that I just got to the gym? They don't, unless they clocking me. But majority of the time, people don't know, okay? So I like putting it on all over my cheeks, mainly just to really make it look realistic, okay? And over my nose as well, because that's usually also where we can turn a little bit of flesh color. But look, it just blends. Look how effortless. I love it. I love it. That's what I'm saying. Like, if you were able to see this palette somewhere, like at Marshall's or, you know, those other places, just grab it because you can't go wrong. All right, so next I'm going in with 𝗦𝗢𝗖𝗓𝗍's mascara. Now, the reason why I'm using this one particularly, and I think this kind of is just in general for me, it's a bit dried out. So normally when I have a mascara that's a bit more dried out, when I'm going to the gym and I know I want to wear mascara, I would use that one. Why? Because it's not going to give me excessive amount of color on my lashes. It's just going to darken them enough for me to be satisfied and look like I actually have something on my lashes, compared to using a fresh one. You know, it's so liquidy and able to coat all your lashes very easily, effortlessly. Okay, I avoid that because I don't want people to know that I actually am made up. So that is just like a little trick that I like to use when it comes to my lashes. Moving on to my pink lip palette. I love using a pink that's really close to my natural lip tone. That way, if it wears off, it doesn't look crazy. You know what I mean? Like, when I still get to actually have my lips feeling and looking soft and supple and truly effortless. When I tell you, you'll get more looks at the gym. Not that that's what I'm going for, but I'm telling you, I noticed, okay? So next I would go in with a Q-tip, just moisten, just to remove any excess mascara, because the mascara can really make your eyes look darker, and I wanted to show you that. It just cleans up the look a bit more. So I hope you guys really enjoyed this tutorial. Leave a comment down below, let me know, leave some hearts. Until then, like, thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye, babies.